Here we go, boys. What are we going to expect?
A lot of sending it.
A lot of sending
of it.
There we go, boys. How's the action up there? Good.
tyres from Boom Kings. We've got the sound off happening. This will be cranking later. Some absolute massive decibels in some of these machines.
Watching all this time slip by, now I realize, you know I've been waiting, 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 but will you wait for me?
But it's hard to have the patience. Watching time fly by might be the hardest thing I have to do in life. Frustrated that I ain't where I want to be yet, but I know that I'ma make it if I chase that check. Yes.
Cause I done seen the time go by for too many years now when the stars were aligned. Cause I done seen the time go by. Yeah, I done seen the time go by.
I've been waiting all my life, and it was right before my eyes. Watching all this time slip by, now I realize I've been waiting all my life, and it was right before my eyes. Watching all this time slip by, now I realize, you know I've been waiting, 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 wait for me.
We just wanted to take this moment to thank HDM for such an awesome meet. It's only their second meet at their workshop there, and we just know that they're only going to get bigger and better and on to the next one. Thanks HDM.
This is our identity. Sky, can't help it, we're by your side.